Hi viewers, welcome to World of CNC. This is slide number 31. In this we will see the turning cycle with the Siemens lathe. This is the profile for simple turning process. We have a diameter of 25 and a length of 75 mm. So we are going to reduce from 25 to 20 mm diameter as well as from 75 to 50 mm length. Finally we will get the product like this, and this is the screen for Siemens controller. First of all, go to program manager. We have three options: part to program, subprograms, workpieces. Suppose we want a new program, go with new, just enter the name and give it OK. We will get a new program name. Or otherwise, open workpieces. Already we have stored some programs here. Open any one of the program, for example Siemens 1. So this is the program for this profile, and this is the program with the cycle number. First we have to set the raw material size, workpiece setup. For that, go to that various option. We will get a blank. So into that we have to enter some parameters and then give it OK. We will get this first line. After that, move the cutter to the reference point, setting the limit of spindle and selecting the cutter. This is for a turning operation. G96 is a constant surface speed with a minimum speed of 300 with a clockwise movement of the spindle, M3, and bring the cutter very closer to the job, that is X27 and Z2. Once again bring the cutter to Z0 position and then vertically down the cutter up to X-1 with some feed rate of 0.1. So this is the basic steps for facing operation. First, setting the workpiece, move the tool to reference point, setting the maximum speed and tool changing, giving minimum speed of the spindle with a clockwise movement. Bring the cutter very closer, move the cutter to 0 point, bring down the cutter up to X-1, again come out from the workpiece, again go back to the original point X27. So now the cutter is at 27. Next, we have to write the stock removal parameters. For example, safety, distance, feed rate, maximum diameter, and starting point, diameter to be reduced, length to be reduced, each time depth of cut. These parameters to be entered. Finally give it OK. We will get this line. After that, simply we are writing the G90 cycle, maximum diameter 25 and the length to be reduced is minus 50. The next line, gradually we are decreasing the X value only with 0.5 mm. So 24.5, 24, 23.5, like that up to 20 mm we are reducing, and then finally go back to 27. This is the positioning point, and once again go back to the reference point by giving G75, switching off the spindle and putting M30. So this is program end. And then how to see the simulation. After entering the parameter, we are going to see the simulation. Go to simulation page. Now simulation is under process. So we are getting the simulation. If you want to see some other views, go to further views. If you want to see two windows, this is side view and facing side view. This is a off-cut view, and once again go with the two windows. So this is a procedure for doing simulation. So we have selected turning cycle only. If it is a contour turning, suppose we have straight cut, taper cut, circular interpolation with the clockwise or anti-clockwise, so we have to select contour turn. So this is plain turning only, we have selected turning cycle only. We just go through this. From next slide onwards, we will see the contour milling, contour turning with grooving, threading, like that one by one we will see later. Just to support this channel. Thank you. Hi viewers, welcome to World of